Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 free apps that pays you PayPal money fast, and you can make up to $100 or more. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's really going to help out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because the code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video, so you got to pay attention and watch the full video. When you see that code word pop up, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Alright, without further ado, let me hop over here to this app so I can show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Alright guys, I'm at the first app. Name of this app is Survey Time. Earn quick cash. So yes, this is a survey app, but it's a very good app, and I'm going to show you why it is a very good app. Alright, so I'm going to look at some of these screenshots. So I'm going to pull up a screenshot. So it says here, get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. And guys, these surveys don't last that long. So this is how it works. So sign up and answer a short list of questions to create your profile. Complete surveys selected specifically to match your profile. Get $1 immediately for each survey you complete. And this is how it looks when you sign up. So you can use Facebook or Google or Twitter to sign up. Okay guys, let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 3.1. Now don't get discouraged guys that it's a low rating. I mean, I always say anything over 4.0 is a real good app. But this still a good app, guys. It just sometimes might be some little glitches here and there in the app, or they may need to update it. And you know, some people might have some concerns about the app. But let's just look at one of the reviews. So this review right here, this guy gave, or this person gave the app 4 stars. So it says here, it's a good app and it pays real money. I would give it 5 stars, but sometimes lag and just annoying. So that what they're saying is sometimes it lags, probably because it's a lot of people using this app, because this is a good app, guys. So don't get discouraged about the rating or about that little comment they made. It's still a good app. They say they still pay real money, so you definitely need to check this out. So that's all I'm gonna say about this app. Go ahead and go to Survey Time, Earn Quick Cash on the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the next app. Okay guys, I'm at the next app. Name of this app is Cash Zine. Buzz, interact, and get reward daily. So let's just look at some of the screenshots on this one too. So it says here, for you, all buzz around you. So what it is news, gossip, and all type of entertainment that you're going to be checking out on this app. and you're going to get rewarded daily for doing that. So it said discover the hottest and latest posts, real-time hot list, follow the hot topics, discuss with your friends for fun topics, reading allowances to pay people paying attention to form read habit. So what they're saying, guys, is they're gonna pay you like allowance just for checking out this information on here. As you can see, you look at $5, $10, so you're gonna get real cash, guys. So let's just scroll down and read a little bit more about it. Cashing is a lifestyle app that generates a daily buzz to engage with friends, entertainment, gossip, life tricks, etc. So it's going to be entertainment, gossip, and some life tricks that you're going to be checking out and you're going to be engaging in. So the reading allowance, so in order to benefit people who read seriously, the caching system will give you in-app coins of varying amounts according to your reading quality. So guys, it depends on how much you read, and that's how much you're going to earn. So if you like to read about this stuff, you're going to make a lot of money. So let's just look at the cash out. So it says all the in-app coins you get reach to a certain amount can be withdrawn every day for cash through PayPal, Gcash, and e-wallets. So you need to have PayPal, guys. PayPal is the most popular payment platform. So if you don't have PayPal, you can go to paypal.com and sign up. Now let's just look at the rating right quick. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.3. Like I said before, anything over 4.0 is a very, very good app, guys. So you definitely need to check this app out. And look, check this out. If anybody did have any issues with the app, the customer service is answering their issue. You know, they're attending to their issue to solve it. So I'm not going to read the reviews, guys. Once you come here, you can read it and check it out for yourself and make your decision on downloading this app or not. But I suggest you download this app because if you're into entertainment and gossip and all that, you can have fun reading about that and making money on a daily basis. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes, guys. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about either one of these apps. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. You know why? Because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, one more thing I want to do before I end this video. I want to do a shout out. So what I'm going to do is flash a comment on the screen right about now. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate you checking out my video. Hope you're a subscriber. Please keep watching all my videos, hitting that like button and sharing them. And let's get to 7,000 subscribers by the end of this month, guys. By the end of August, let's get there. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for your support. Keep supporting me, guys, and I'm going to keep giving away this free money. And matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and give away free money to 2 people. 2 people once I reach 7,000 subscribers. So let's get there quick, fast, and hurry so I can give out this free money. And one more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and always have a prosperous day.